All right, so hello everyone, and welcome back to Fantastic Funnel tutorial series. So in this particular tutorial, we are actually going to see that how you can create your branded custom email on Google Workspace. If you are already watching throughout the tutorials inside the system is support guide, okay, which you have already got from me for free. So you must have already watched the video previously that how we create a branded email using our Zoho mail server. And in this particular video, we are actually going to see that how you can able to create your Google Workspace. So if you don't want to use Zoho Workspace, you can go with the Google Workspace. Ideally, it is Gmail, but why it is said Google Workspace, because you are actually going to create a business email address inside the Google Workspace using your domain. So we have our domain on GoDaddy. We'll use that to go ahead and create our Google Workspace account. And this is how you can able to do it for yourself. But yes, you get the free trial on Google Workspace. It's not completely free. You will get a free trial for I guess like a month or two, not more than that. And then you have to pay a small chunk of money to continue your subscription with Google Workspace. So right now I'm inside my account and I'm going to log in into my domain provider, which is GoDaddy, and will be opening up my uh, domain, which I'm going to use to create my Google Workspace account. Okay, so here we go. And here I am. And I'm going to do this activity on Mozilla Firefox. I'm just going to do it on the Mozilla Firefox. So let me go ahead and redo everything on the Mozilla Firefox, that how it works, to so that you can able to go ahead and watch it step by step. So I'm just simply typing in the search bar. You can do it on Chrome or Microsoft Edge, whatever you guys are using. I'm doing it on the Mozilla Firefox because on the Google Chrome already one of my Google Workspace account is logged in. So I don't want to disturb anything on that browser. I'll simply search here Google Workspace, and on the browser, whatever the list I see, the first sponsored result is coming from the Google only. So I'll be clicking on that, okay, Google Workspace. And then you see that it says here, start free trial, okay. So what we are going to get, a branded email, calendar, then Drive is there, then Meeting is there. So there are so many applications you will be going to get inside it to use with your professional email account. So I'll be just clicking on start free trial, and now it will going to guide me step by step to go ahead and start with it. So let's get started. So first we have to enter our business name. So I'm just going to use the domain name here, automated growth. Right now, I'm the only person who is going to use it. And region, please make sure that all the options you have to select carefully. Whatever the employee numbers you have, you can enter it here if you are the only one who is starting out right now. So you can surely go ahead and just select this option, just one. And then region, it will automatically going to select it. Just you have to verify it and then click on next. Moving forward, what's your contact information, your first name, your email address, and your current email address. You have to enter your regular email address in here. So my first name, I'm just going to enter here my surname. And my current email address, let me go ahead and put, all right, let me use my, okay, so next. And then you will get an option to choose a way to set up your account. So get a new domain. Like always, all the platform will going to suggest you this, but we already have a domain, so you don't have to go with this option, get a custom domain. set up using your existing domain. So we already have a domain on GoDaddy. We'll be using it. If you don't have domain and if you are just watching this video, so you can go ahead and buy the domain first from here. Okay. So continue with this method. And then moving forward, you have to add your domain name. So enter your business domain name. You'll use it to set up your custom email address like info@example.com. We will walk you through verifying that your business owns this domain later. Okay. So I'm just going to just copy and paste it in here, automatedgrowth.online, and then click on next. I didn't use the www. I don't think so that it is needed. Use this domain to set up your account. It will going to verify your domain again. So make sure that use the copy paste thing most of the time, because it like helps you to it lower the chance of creating any error. Okay, and then go with the next. All right, so now here you have to give a username. All right, now you see that your domain is appearing here. So we have to use our username in here. So let me go ahead and use a username like info, okay, or maybe admin. You can do that. And inside this account, I can create multiple aliases. Not needed. I can use care. I can use contact or anything, whatever you want. So for now, I'm just going to use contact, okay, and then my password. Make sure that whatever password you are creating, you have to check the password and write it down in your diary, in your credential diary, so that you're not going to forget it again. Okay, accept and agree and continue. Let's see that what we are going to get next. It will definitely going to give you some DNS records to add those DNS record inside your registrar. In my case, my registrar is GoDaddy. In your case, it could be like a Namecheap, a Hostinger, or any other platform like HostGator. All right. So now I need to sign in. So my account is been created. So again, I have to log into that account now. So it is accepting my email address. Hit next. And now I need to enter my password in here. And then click on next. All right. So I need to verify, enter the phone number. So I'll be selecting my country first of all here. And then we'll be entering my phone number. So that will be it will definitely going to send me a verification code. So let's enter the verification code here. It's a one-time code. Cool. All right, now my account got verified. Welcome to your new account. Cool. Move forward, I understand, going bottom, and let's see that what we get next. Okay, so you have to just accept all these things. So we are going with the business plan, which is 120 rupees, Indian rupee per month. That will going to be kind of 1.5 US dollar, I guess. Yep. And then like it gives you 20 GB of cloud storage on Drive, then custom and secure business email, chat with AI in the Gemini app, secure and management control. Okay. So you can compare the price here. So this is the basic plan which you are using right now, basic business base. And this is what you need at the very beginning, okay, to start with. And we are going with that, okay. If you are really having a business, you can go with the business starter plan as well, where you are actually going to get 100 participant video meeting on Google Meet as well, the additional thing, and Gemini AI assistant in Gmail, and you'll get additional 10 GB of data on Google Cloud. Okay. So this is what, so this is the one I'm using right now for my own business. Okay. I'm paying 325 rupees, Indian rupees, which is somewhere around like $4.50. Okay. For $4, I guess. Yeah. So this is what I'm using, but just to show you guys, I'm just going with this one. So we are going to click on try free for 14 days. And then now it will going to ask me a couple of questions and then continue setting up the account. Yep, here it is. So we need to, I guess, fill up a couple of information like my address and everything. So let's do that. All right, add name and address in here. So okay, state. Make sure to fill up all the information very precisely. Otherwise, you might going to be not get verified on the Google. Okay, so your payment method required to make one of 500 prepayment before your service is activated. All right. So your payment method requires. So you have in our country, it is asking for this one. Maybe like in your case, there might be some other scenarios. Okay. So your payment method requires you to make a one of 500 prepayment before your service is activated. This fund will be credited to your account. Okay, got it. So your info is saved. Let's move forward, agree and continue. Let's see that if I have to make the payment. I definitely don't want to make the payment uh, at the beginning if it is a trial version. Obviously, I have an option to cancel this account within 14 days, but let's get into it. So setting up your Google Workspace account, we need to wait a little bit of time. Still, we are away from the DNS management. We definitely need to verify it with our Google, with our domain registrar. And it is, look, it is very, very simple. If you're doing it for the first time, even without following the tutorial, you can able to do this. But this tutorial definitely going to help you out if you're not aware of such things, that how to create your account and Google account or business account on Google. So this video will be definitely a go through for you. All right, so here we go. Now we are in the setup area. Okay, so connect your workspace, configure the way that you work easily, add username, manage device, and configure security setting so that your data is safe. So you have to get into the admin console for that and do that. I'm just going to set up your workspace and okay, it is get drive for desktop. Let's do one thing. I'm just looking for the DNS management. So we'll be going to do one by one. Okay. So let's get into the admin console of our account. Admin console is the place where you go ahead, log in and make the changes into your account, make the payment and everything. So that's what the admin center is. All right, get started. You have 13 days to verify your domain. Okay, so now here you see that in the admin center, I'm getting this notification that I have 13 days to verify my domain. This is required to connect to Workspace and activate Gmail. Take action by 2nd of February in my case. So when you click on this verify option, if you're following the structure, you already saw that we didn't get this option previously. As soon as you get into the admin console, you get the option to verify it. So make sure to go ahead and click on verify. When you do this, it will let you open a new page in front of you, and then it will go ahead and start the verification process. So it will be going to done most of the time automatically when you have both the platforms log in on the same browser, like your Google Workspace and your GoDaddy or any registrar. If they are logged in on the same browser, your verification will going to complete automatically. But in my case, both the applications are logged in different browser. The Google Workspace is on the Firefox, and my GoDaddy is logged in on Chrome. So let's get started in here, and let's see that what happens next. All right, so switch to manual. Verify your organization will be able to use the Google Workspace app such as Gmail, Calendly, sign into your domain host to authorize DNS change. This step will allow. So it is asking me to sign into GoDaddy, but I'm not going to do that. You can do that. You can just click on this sign in button and log into your registrar. It automatically fetch the information that this domain is on GoDaddy. If your domain is on Namecheap, it will going to tell you to log into your GoDaddy or sign into Namecheap. Okay, so it automatically fetches the domain that where it is purchased, where it is hosted, and it will give you the name to sign into that particular platform. So in my case, I'll go ahead and do it manually. It is GoDaddy. My domain used a different host. Okay, I'll click on continue. And now these are the records. So first I'll do the txt, set the default value, and name is the default value, which is @sign. And I'm going to copy this text value and will be going to my GoDaddy account now here, and will be adding a new DNS record. So you have to get into the DNS option. And when you get into the DNS option, just click on add new record. Here, choose txt. The name will remain @ and value will be this, which you copied from Google Workspace. Now it will going to verify it and updating the DNS record successfully, as you see at the top right hand corner. Now what I need to do here, once it's done, I think I need to verify it, but I don't see the option to verify it. Okay, come back here and confirm. Okay, now here is the option at the very bottom. You see the option. So you need to first check this box. And when you check this box, it will show you the confirm button, update the code in your, then confirm it that you already updated it. It will take a few seconds and verifying that code if it is placed correctly or not. Okay, your domain is verified. Great. Now we have to activate our Gmail. All right. So let's activate our Gmail so that our inbox will get ready. To set up your Gmail account, continue here. You just have to read this out and click on continue. Okay, so this is my user. Proceed with activation. So now we are going to activate this email account for our Gmail. So proceed it. And now again, it is asking you to sign in, but I'm not going to do that because it will going to do everything automatically. Okay, but I just want to show you that if that automatic thing is not working, how to do it manually. Then I'll do it switch to manual and again continue. And then now I need to copy this MX value here. So we have one MX value right now. We need to copy the priority, and the name will be default as @sign. I'll be copy this setup SMTP Google smtp.google.com. I'm going to copy this one, and priority is one. You have to remember the priority. Let's go back to the GoDaddy account. And here, I'm just going to click on add new record, choose MX this time. In the name, you have to add @sign. Priority is one. The value is this one, which you copied. And then you save it. It will take few seconds and it will show you that your DNS record updated successfully. Here you go. Now, I'll go back to my Google Workspace account. I'll check that particular box and click on confirm that I added the value. Now it will going to verify my MX record. And I'm guessing that there is a change in the setup because previously, like a couple of years back, Google were providing, I guess, five MX records to put it into your registrar, but this time it only provided me one MX record. So now it asks you to add users and aliases. You can do that. I'm not going to get into it. We're definitely going to create a different uh, tutorial for that about the aliases and everything, which you can do by going into your admin console. So let's go ahead and explore the Google Workspace. All right, so now I'm just going to click on mark done, and I'm sure I'm going to get started, set up Gmail to receive emails, and get started to set up your Gmail to receive emails. So let's see that again, we have to verify a couple of things. Uh, Start sending email from Gmail. Your email will be now be directed to Gmail, which may take up to 24 hours. It is recommended to monitor both your old email service and Gmail for new email during this period. You can do that, and let's go ahead and try to log in into our account now. So I'm going to the admin console, and let's refresh this page and let's see that if this particular warning message is going away or not. So I guess let load completely. Okay, I guess that warning message is not coming anymore to verify. So here I have a couple of things. I got the exclamation sign. Make sure that you can always sign in. All right. So you have to add the recovery email and other things. So let's do one thing. Let's get into our Gmail now. So now I'm getting into my Gmail account, which is actually the business Gmail account. And let's see that what we have in front of us. So Google Workspace, it is opening now. All right, so here we go. I got so many emails from the Google now about the setup and everything. Turn on a smart feature. If you want to do that, you can do that. I'm not doing it right now, so I'm just going to click outside. I think like I have to do this in here. Turn off smart feature. So right now I'm just turning it off. We'll be doing it later on. The smart feature, turn on smart feature in Workspace. All right, let's do that. No problem. Let's do the backpack and turn all of them because it helps to improve your email account and get started. Your account setting has changed. You need to reload. Okay, let's reload it. Go to mail. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 emails I got. So we have see what you're doing. I just don't want to do that. Uh, Google payment. So it is asking me to update the tax information and all of those things. You can do that at your end as per your government policy and the norms. So let's do one thing. Let's send a quick email to one of my email addresses and let's see that if it is going out or not. So I'm doing that. And just for your information, I just want to make sure here by clicking, you see that contact at automatedgrowth.online. This is the email now which is logged in. Compose an email. It actually works similar to the entire Gmail, the normal Gmail you are using, but it has a business ID now. Okay. All right. So this is the email. And, let's copy this and paste in the body part and send it. Let's see that what we are going to get a message again in here. If this message doesn't goes out, I'll get the message here that it got failed. Uh, and I'm going to open that email in the new tab. So let's do that. Okay, I didn't receive that email yet. Just refresh it once. Because it is a one-on-one email I'm sending, so it will not, it definitely doesn't get into the spam area. You should receive that email into your mailbox. I'm still confused because there are a couple of more records. Okay, it get into the spam. I don't know why. Okay, it should not get to the spam. Couple of more settings we have to finalize. So I'll click on look save. I received the email. I just clicked on look save. It should not get into the spam. That's because of, I guess, like we haven't set up the SPF and DMA ask record yet. So I'm just going to do that as well. SPF, let's reply this email first and let's see that I got the mail. And let's see that if I get the reply back to me on my mailbox, the new mailbox. Okay, I need to wait, I guess, maybe. Or maybe it will going to show me that payment delivery failed here. All right, cool. So you see that I got the mail here, test email, I got the mail. So perfect. Now my branded email is ready. This is how you can create your email with the Google Workspace if you don't want to go with the Zoho mail. And hope you like the video and hope you understand now how to set up your Google Workspace. If you need any help, you have a comment box open at the bottom. If you haven't signed up to the system.io using my affiliate ID, please do that. It helps me and motivate me to create the free contents for my audience. When you are definitely going to upgrade using my affiliate ID, it will going to give me some commissions. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial and see you soon with a new tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.